Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Solitaire on your phone. Solitaire is a classic card game that has captivated players for centuries, and now it is more accessible than ever on your mobile device. We will cover everything from understanding the game board to mastering winning strategies. Get ready to enjoy hours of fun and challenge right in the palm of your hand, anytime and anywhere you choose to play. Let's dive into the game board. You will see 7 tableau piles where most of the action happens, along with 4 foundation piles at the top. To move cards, simply drag and drop them to their correct positions, following the alternating color and descending rank rules. When you need more cards, just tap the stock pile to reveal new options, helping you progress through the game. To boost your chances of winning, always aim to expose those hidden cards in the tableau piles. This opens up more possibilities and helps you clear the board. Focus on moving cards from the larger, more obstructed piles first, as this often unlocks crucial sequences. Remember, the undo button is your friend. Use it wisely to experiment with different moves and learn from your choices. Beyond the classic game, many solitaire apps offer exciting variations like Spider Solitaire or Free Cell, providing new challenges. You can also personalize your experience by choosing from dozens of card-back designs and various game backgrounds. Keep an eye on your statistics, including win rates and best times, to track your progress and celebrate your achievements as you become a solitaire master.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.